Hey, credit heroes! Would you like to harness social media to grow and scale your credit repair business? Well, today I'm going to share 7 proven strategies that will skyrocket your online presence and bring you a ton of new clients. So you better stick around.
My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets.
In the 20 years since releasing my first credit repair software, I have helped thousands of businesses scale from the ground up. And I've experienced many of the same challenges that credit heroes face, and I've learned proven ways to overcome them and succeed. And one question that I get all the time is, how can I find more clients? To find those clients and to really build a community, you gotta use all the tools in your toolbox. Social media isn't the only way to reach new clients, but it's free and it can be really, really effective. Here's how this relates to us. In 2024, social media is a more powerful tool than ever before for building your client base in the credit repair industry. And I've seen many of our most successful credit heroes build their strong followings on social media. That's how they grow their business. So I wanted to share some of the secrets of how the strategic use of social media can attract and retain your ideal clients. Whether you're a seasoned credit repair expert or you're just starting out, these strategies are crucial for expanding your reach and building your business. Here's the thing to remember. Social media isn't just about posting a lot of content. No, it's about attracting the right audience and engaging them in a real and meaningful way. To attract the right audience that cares about your brand and cares about your business, you'll want to have a solid mix of practical advice and credit tips mixed with your own relatable stories. Your posts need to hit that sweet spot, informative, but also really, really engaging. And especially, you want to share your story. I share my story all the time about how my credit got messed up, about how I nearly went bankrupt and how I was too broke to hire a credit repair company. And so I started learning everything I could about credit, and I fixed my own credit. And then I started seeing how many other people were hurt by the credit system, and then I started helping them, and that's how I came up with the idea for a Credit Repair Cloud. When I first tried coming off as a credit repair expert, I failed. But when I told my real story of my real struggles and how I overcame them, that's when people started relating to me. And that's when my business started to work and started to grow. And this is going to work for you too. So yes, share your wisdom, share your credit tips, but also let them get to know the real you, because authenticity attracts. And from there, it's all about engagement. When someone reaches out or leaves a comment for you, you want to jump on it, because that's your chance to show that you're not just a credit guru, but you're also a real person who really listens and cares. It's about making your followers feel like they're part of something special. And when you use the strategies that I'm sharing in this podcast, your social media presence will lead to better conversion, more word of mouth referrals, and real growth for your business. Over the years, I've talked to tons of very successful credit heroes who have built social media strategies that have really helped them to grow their businesses. And here are the 7 common strategies that they've leveraged to build their empires. Number 1, post consistently with value. Share content that not only informs, but also inspires and shows who you are. Mix in your personal stories with your pro tips, because your content isn't just about dishing out advice. No, it's about building a brand that people feel connected to. Number 2, always experiment. Social media is like a playground, so play around, jump on the latest trends, try out new platforms, make videos, whip up some cool infographics, go live, write some articles. What's the key? The key is to keep shaking things up, because you never know which format might hit the jackpot in resonating with your audience. Number 3, show up authentically. Keep it real. Share your real life stories, the ups and downs, your journey in the credit repair world. When you open up, you're not just a credit expert, you become a trusted friend in their financial journey. Engage promptly and personally. When someone comments or messages you, don't just respond, engage. Make them feel heard. This isn't just about answering questions. No, this is about building a community one reply at a time. Personal touch turns followers into fans and clients. Be informed. You've got to walk the walk. So load up on all the credit repair knowledge that you can, okay? Resources like our Credit Hero Challenge and our masterclass at creditrepaircloud.com are like your personal arsenal of expertise. So arm yourself with knowledge, and then you'll be the credit repair expert that your followers need. Clearly communicate your services. No one wants guesswork, especially when it comes to fixing their credit. So be crystal clear about what you offer. Set expectations right, and you'll be building trust from the start. And make sure you offer a clear and easy way to get in touch or to sign up for your services. And finally, keep learning and adapting. Social media is always evolving, and you should be too. So stay on top of the latest trends and tools, adapt, evolve, and keep your content fresh. And remember, in the world of social media, the only thing that's consistent about it is that it's always changing. Here's my final point. Leveraging social media is not just about your business being seen by more potential clients. No, it's about building meaningful connections that transform into lasting client relationships. By really embracing these strategies, you're not just growing your business, you are creating a community of informed, financially empowered people. And I'll end by saying, if you want to learn how to keep your clients happy, check out my episode on credit repair lead generation. Got your first client? Now what? And if you'd like to get certified in disputing and grow your very own credit repair business, check out our Credit Hero Challenge at creditherochallenge.com and keep changing lives.